Over the last 3 months, I've been noticing a pattern with small business owners and creators who are suddenly getting traction with their content. And I keep seeing the same 3-step method working over and over again. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what they're doing, step by step, so you can use it too. This isn't generic advice. This is a specific framework I've used in my own content and generated millions of views every single month. You need all three pieces for this to work, so make sure you watch the full video. Let's start with step 1. When you're building a business online, there's a problem nobody talks about. People don't judge you on your work quality. They judge you on your online presence. If your LinkedIn has 200 followers or your Instagram has no content, people assume you're not credible even if your work is excellent. When a prospect compares you to someone with 50,000 followers, they'll choose the bigger account every time. That's just how it works. But there's a way to sidestep this completely. Instead of fighting the fact that you have no audience, use it as your positioning. Here's what I mean. Let's say you're running an agency or freelancing. You have 0 followers. You're completely new. Your content will eventually get shown next to established businesses, people with big portfolios, testimonials, millions of views. If you try to compete with them on the same level, you'll lose. But if you lean into being new, you change the game entirely. In September 2024, I was driving Uber to pay rent. My agency had collapsed. No clients, no revenue. Instead of hiding that, I documented it. I was clear about where I was starting from. By March 2025, I launched a focused AI content offer. 4 months later, the agency was doing $10,000 a month. Now it's at $20,000. People didn't follow because I was already successful. They followed because the story was real. Stop hiding that you're starting out. Make it your angle. Before we move to step 2, I put together a free guide on the AI tools and systems I use to create content without filming. Links in the description. Alright, step 2. Step 2 is where this gets practical. We're using something called the Skyscraper Method. I learned this from Brian Dean in SEO. The idea is simple. Find content that's performing well, make your own version, and eventually yours performs too. In content creation, it works the same way. Step 1, find an outlier video in your niche. Step 2, make a similar video with a similar format. Step 3, add your own perspective. There's one critical detail most people miss and it changes everything. When I started posting content, I was getting almost no views. Then I noticed a pattern. Small agency owners in my space were posting videos with similar titles, things like how I built a $10,000 agency in 90 days. Same structure, same style, always got views. So I made my own version. That video got over 300,000 views and kicked off my entire content strategy. One of my clients, Jaro, did the same thing. He's a 7-figure founder, but his content wasn't generating business results. We found high-performing formats from smaller creators, adapted them to his brand, and used his AI clone to scale production. He generated over 1,000 leads in 7 months by recording twice a month. Now here's the twist most people get wrong. When you hear find outliers, you think Mr. Beast, Alex Hormozi, big budgets, big teams. That's the wrong place to look. You want outlier videos from small creators, people who post one video that blows up unexpectedly, because when a small creator goes viral, you know the idea worked. It's not just their brand carrying it. Alex Hormozi gets 1 million views because he's Alex Hormozi. A small creator gets 1 million views because the idea is genuinely good. Find those videos, adapt the format, add your angle, and here's where AI gives you an edge. Traditional creators test 1 or 2 ideas per week. Each video takes hours. With AI, you can produce a video in under an hour. Script, clone, edit, done. You test more ideas. You find what works faster. And if you want to see exactly how we build these AI clones and scale content production, I put together a free breakdown of the tools and workflow we use. Links in the description. Alright, step 3. People debate quality versus quantity all the time. Should you post a lot or make everything perfect? The goal is both, but trying to do both at the start is where people fail. And I see this pattern constantly with agency owners and freelancers. You'll spend 2 weeks perfecting one piece of content. The script is flawless, the visuals are polished, every detail is dialed in. You post it gets 200 views, and then you're crushed because you invested so much time and energy expecting it to perform. So now you take another 2 weeks to make the next one even better. Same result. After a month, you've posted twice, you have no momentum, no data on what works, and you're already burned out. Compare that to someone who focuses on volume first. They post 15 videos in the same month. Not all of them are perfect, but they're consistent. After 15 videos, they can see patterns. 3 of them did well, the rest didn't. Now they know what their audience responds to. They can double down on what works and cut what doesn't. Here's what I learned from working with clients and running my own agency. Quantity first, then quality. Not because quality doesn't matter, but because quality improves through repetition. When you focus on volume first, you stop overthinking every piece. You experiment, you get faster, and your quality goes up naturally over time. With AI, you can hit volume without burning out. Traditionally, volume means showing up on camera 30 times a month. That's exhausting. With AI, you record once, your clone handles the rest, you get the momentum of quantity, quality improves through iteration, and you don't burn out. That's the system. system. Here's what we covered. Step 1, lean into having no audience, use it as positioning. Step 2, find small creator outliers, adapt the format, test faster with AI. Step 3, focus on quantity first. Quality comes through output. If you want this done for you, if you want us to build your AI clone and handle your content so you can focus on your business, book a free call with me today. Links in the description. Alright, see you in the next video.